on a boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. I'm on a culinary journey to Iceland, where I'm exploring both traditional and modern recipes and flavors.
And I look forward to sharing this with you over the coming week.
Well, I'm back from Iceland now, and much warmer after that blizzard. On today's episode, I will be showing you how to make salmon tartare with an Icelandic salmon and pairing it with a delicious wasabi dashi sauce. So on that note, let's go ahead and get started. Salmon tartare is surprisingly easy to make. All it requires, at its most basic, is sushi or sashimi grade salmon. I buy mine at a Japanese market in Soho, but Whole Foods and other stores carry it as well. Just ask to make sure that it's sashimi or sushi grade. If the salmon is partially thawed, it's actually already firm and much easier to cut than fully thawed salmon. If it's already thawed, then I'll put the salmon in the freezer for about 20 minutes to firm it up before I cut it. For the sauce, I use a combination of two types of soy sauce, tamari and low sodium soy sauce, dashi, which is a Japanese fish stock, wasabi powder, and some sake. One of the things that stood out for me in Iceland is that they often like to use Japanese ingredients. So on that theme, I'm adding a little hint of ginger, a little bit of low sodium soy sauce, and some lightly minced shallots to provide texture.
For a beautiful presentation, I use ring molds. Now, if you don't have ring molds, you can actually use large cookie cutters. Finally, I like to garnish the salmon tartare with some black sesame seeds and sea samphire or sea beans. If you don't have sea beans or sea samphire, you can also use microgreens. And that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, bon appetit.